Happy Friday and happy Good Friday to you. This is Corinna Daninger with EXP in Melbourne, Florida. I'm currently standing at the Longwood Subdivision in Melbourne, right off of Wickham, not far from Route 1, 95, 20 minutes to Melbourne Airport and 1 hour to Orlando. This house is spectacular. We are already active. The photos will be on tomorrow morning. The photographer just left. I would love to show you this gorgeous 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home. I want to start off by pointing out that the house was just painted a couple years ago. Nice, beachy, clean. I love how she did the bricks on this house. I actually sold it to the seller about 3 years ago, and now it's time to let it go to somebody else. So come with me. This is a common floor plan that we sell a lot here in Florida, and as we go through, you might say, hey, this kind of looks familiar, and that's why it's very popular. So all the windows were replaced with hurricane impact windows, except for the sliding glass doors and one window overlooking the back patio going outside. If you look down, she put in this beautiful ceramic tile that looks like wood grain floors, so I love it. So there's literally tile that runs throughout the entire house. The tile that was here in certain rooms she left alone because they were pretty, and she did a nice job keeping everything flowing within the same colors. So we will move into this family room and go into our eat-in kitchen. The eat-in kitchen has lovely views out to the fenced-in backyard, which we'll come back to in a little bit. Right now we're going to work our way over to the master or owner suite. All the blinds are brand new through the house. She replaced those in 2019 throughout the entire house. Like I said, hurricane impact windows. You have a walk-in closet in the master or owner suite. I'm trying to fix my vocabulary here. We've changed the words. And we have, it's a nice space. She had a king-size bed in here and still had plenty of room. And then she redid this entire bathroom upon moving in, and it is very pretty. I love the walk-in shower and the really pretty counter-high sink. It's elegant. It's an elegant bathroom. And nice window views out back to the backyard. Now we're going to walk into her beautiful kitchen. I love this kitchen. All the appliances are new within the last 3 years, all the stainless appliances, and the faucet was replaced about a year ago. Nice deep stainless steel sink. And then the cabinets are very nice. They're just a natural blonde wood. But if you're someone who might want a white cabinet or dark cabinets or purple cabinets, these would be very easy to pop off and have them sprayed to whatever color that you wanted. And I have a guy for that. So going into the next family room is a nice space, all tile again. And when we look forward, we run right into the laundry room. So we'll show you the laundry room real quick before we go to the other 2 bedrooms. In this laundry room, you have a lot of space. So she's leaving the storage container, both washer and dryer stay, and then to the right is the door that takes you out to the large garage. And it is an oversized 2-car garage. And then coming in a little further, we're going to go to the second bathroom. Also was remodeled, I think right before she purchased the house. Very lovely cabinet, again, counter high. You have a comfort high toilet along with the shower, and I do love that shower because there's no grout to clean. And in Florida, we clean a lot of grout. And to the left, you have bedroom number 2, nice size, again, new windows, new blinds. And we have the lights turned on in here because otherwise we would not have any lights in this room. So you could always bring an electrician in and have them run ceiling fan outlets up top if you wanted to. And this is bedroom number 3. Bedroom number 3, also very nice size, double door closets and overlooking the backyard. So this is what we call our split plan in Florida, where the master's on one side of the house and you have the bedrooms on the other side of the house. But now let's go check out the backyard. And as you know, I constantly say this is our 3rd living room. So I love how big, and I loved it when Kathy was buying it, how big and oversized this back patio is. You literally can entertain out here, sit back and read a book, barbecue. If you have kids or dogs, you can let them out, and plenty of space to roam. Room for a pool if you want to put a pool in. I believe this home has only had 2 or 3 owners, so it's been well maintained by each owner that has been here. And look how big this yard is. The owner had a big dog and a little dog, and they loved running back and forth back here when they were here. The soffits were replaced, and everything, as much as I could get on this Facebook Live, I did post all the different things that Kathy had done while she was here. So this house is not going to last long. As you know, there's all sorts of houses hitting the market right now, but this one is spectacular. Drop your bags, move in ready, and then that's it. You're done. You don't have to worry about the heavy lifting. The roof's been replaced, soffits, floors, you name it. So this is Corinna Daninger coming to you live from Melbourne, Florida. Call me, call your agent, call someone, but don't wait to get in or you're going to miss it. Happy Friday.